Assalamualaikum my lovely viewers. This is Hello IT World Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to set or insert face icons in Microsoft Word in Windows 11. So for this case we have to open Microsoft Word file which I have been opened it before. So here insert options we will click, then the icons here. In icons options we want what we want the face icon, so click here. See here lots of face options, face icons is presenting here how many we selected, then the press the insert, then it will come on the page, and if we select one by one then it will come one by one. So insert one, so here inserted. So if we click here small size or big size, that means the increase and decrease size we will do it easily. Also we can move it, but remember when we move it, for this case we will first wrap, that means we text wrap, or if something has written, so in this case we will wrap these things then move with the text. So now we will already selected then text. See, we can move it easily. So if we press this is the word, this is the selected option C, we can front it side, that means here the written option has been hide on the icons, that means in this icon. So if we take this here the position or this side, see the region part has been hide, and the face icons or these icons on the front side. So that's it. So here also we will do lots of things as like graphics things. First of all you have to mark or select this face icons or select any kinds of icons. So now we will select the icons. Here the graphics format is presenting here, so here we want to do the graphics fill, whatever any kinds of image or whatever any kinds of thing icons. So if we want to fill this thing, so we have to click here, then we'll get the graphics fill. So we can change lots of color here. Also we can do the no fill, so this is not working on the project as because we want to insert this picture. Now we can customize or standard from the uh, graphics fill option. So here we will click here, see we will get the standard or customize icons, customize color. So here if we want to do take this, see this, sorry, that has gone customize standard. Okay, this is the thing, it will not work. Then go to the more colors, customs, see we have to do this from the here. So we're gonna take this colors. Okay, see the color has been changed. Now we can do the graphics outline. So if you want to give the outline, then how it will work? So it will work this black color is brightness increase, click here. Now if we want to do the dashes sign, so a lots of that dashes sign has been, if you want to take the more lines, so we can take it easily. So we can take it this. Also we can do the weighted, the plain outline. So here, see now it has come, click here, see we will get it properly. Then we will do the graphics effects. So how, here the lots of effects options is presenting here, see we can do this. Also we can do the shadow, see you can take, and you will give as your choiceable things. Weevil, see the weevil he or something like this. Then the 3D rotation. How? See, the rotation is been here. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel. Hopefully this tutorial will help you so much.